Filming only on an iPhone 11. You guys are gonna enjoy it. Using the front-facing camera, recorded in 4K, 30 frames per second, almost at 60. But yeah, this video is just really showing you guys that you can film only with an iPhone 11. No need to spend money on an expensive camera, although I recommend it. But if you want to just get started on your filmmaking career, an iPhone 11 is a great way to start out. Just gliding through my city, literally gliding through my city. By the way, if you want to buy a Riptide skateboard, this is a motorized skateboard, use the code SimplyPops-100 to get $100 off. I appreciate, yet again, the sky is blue and it's still keeping me real lit. This is amazing quality, by the way. Don't do this. Don't be behind the light. Be towards the light. Night mode is fire. I don't think I never went that fast in a car before. Yo, bro,
that's just the baby.
I gotta do the front facing test now. Damn, you can't even hit it one more time, can you?
My man, free out the kid, out of the sky, wasn't part of the plan. But we gon' be good forever. We gon' be good forever. Hey, we gon' be good forever. We gon' be good forever. Good, hey. Diamonds dancing in the face. Diamonds dancing in the bathroom. Fans digging for a case. And we breaking all the showers. I went from rags to riches, bag to bitches.
So yeah, the music shoot. I vlogged here and there on the iPhone 11 and on the 11 Pro Max. I guess I throw the music video link down below if you guys want to see the full thing, but make sure you check that lighting. Shout out to Alvin.
Check that lighting right there.
Yeah, right here. That's the lighting I'm using. Next day later, I absolutely love this camera. Pulling back the footage from yesterday. I mean, look at the sky. And this is not even wide angle. This is the ultra wide angle. This is the regular wide angle. You can see the power pole. It's really, really nice. And the colors, it just pops. Damn, where's the leaves at? It's fall time officially. iPhone 11. All right, I'm here in Rochester right now currently. And we're just chilling though. Don't even know what to say, man. Just look at the lighting, look at the camera. Cinematography. Got my cousin, man. Shout out to you, man. Thanks for having me. That wide angle is amazing. Oh my God. Use the ultra wide angle lens camera. I see you. I see you. Taco Tuesday. Hey, yo, everybody in lit. Yo, this is fun. It changed colors too. It changed. Oh my God.
That's hard.
That's a good gift. I ain't gonna lie.
LED strips in there, you know what I'm saying?
Yo, and this camera. Oh my God.
Everybody go home. Go home. Also, thank you. It's my first time out, and y'all.
What kind of car is it, bro?
Damn, I don't even know, you know?
You over here looking at your fucking... You on the video, nigga.
Yeah, this is it. Yeah. All right. You guys came here fast. All right, you too. Thank you so much. Tom used to sneak up on me. Tom is his cat. And it was like, yo, in the middle of the night, 3 in the morning. Where is Tom anyway? You know where Tom is?
He might be in the basement, bro.
All right, guys, so I'm going to be editing. I'm going to be editing some films. I'm still recording on the iPhone. No, Tom. No, I don't want to play with you. Smile for the camera, Tom. Probably keep all the rodents out, man. I know you do a good job with that. You do a good job with that, right, Tom? You do a good job with that, right? Keeping out all the mouse. All the mouse. Tom? Look at that. Look at all the tricks that you're doing. After a long day, look at my eyes. Jesus Christ. All right, carrying my laptop. Okay. So I'm sleeping in my cousin's room for tonight. Oh man, I'm so twisted right now, bro.
Yeah, like, you want some water drink?
Yo, you guys don't understand. I've been drinking here, and then I drunk out there. So this dude Alan always be. Look at that, man. Alan be raging. Look at this. Yo, you guys remember the last vlog I showed you where he kicked the wall? He probably punched that wall, and then look, I see another one. Yo, that's crazy. My cousin is a rager, man, but it's all love, man. We all family. All right, I'm gonna get something to drink though before I just passed the water. Wow.
What's up?
I literally did not see it there. I'm gonna drink, and well, I'm gonna finish editing this video, and then I'm gonna, you know.
Go to sleep. You might as well finish editing when you wake up. You're drunk, right?
Bro, that's when the edits is best.
Good night. I'll see you tomorrow, man.
Yeah.
I'm probably gonna be gone. I'm gonna come up there in the morning. All right, so don't be alarmed. I'm gonna come up there and grab my stuff before I go to work.
I'm probably gonna be knocked, bro. You're probably not gonna be, especially right now, bro. Nah.
Good night.
All right, man. Good night. Nah, I don't think he was. All right, so I'm sleeping here tonight. Been all over the place. I've been here, been at this house that we picked up, and then been all over the place, man. So yeah, recorded on the front-facing camera. Anytime I show my face, I record it on the front-facing camera. That's how I'm doing it. We're supposed to be going out again tomorrow, so I'm gonna save that for the iPhone 11 Pro Max camera test. So I'm gonna conclude this camera test. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is just a video showing you guys that you can vlog on your iPhone 11 with no problems, and you know you could definitely do it. So I think it's enough, though. I think it's definitely enough, from the music shoot to this to that to this. I think this is enough to make a fully lengthy video. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, I appreciate it with a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment, and share and subscribe. And other than that, your boy Pops, and I catch you guys on my next video. Peace.